was trying to give more of the academic side to this. What I think are the challenges that you guys are going to encounter as you try to actually do work that is non-trivial, right? But to focus more on the kinds of things that maybe I explain a little bit about the enterprise that we're trying to start, actually, together with Constantine, this CASP, right? So CASP is about big data in cities. So one of the things we're trying to do is to collect enough data about the city that when people try to actually answer questions like the ones about children and poverty and or actually even commercial questions, we actually have all the data there in good form that you can use correct APIs. You have the tools to explore the data in an easy way. You have the experts there for for helping you start with your exploration, right? And we are assembling a team of people that are experts in, among other things, visualization. So that's actually what I've been working for the last 20 years. So, I think that one of the visual literacy is actually one of the big problems. I don't know how many people here. I mean, we looked at these charts, and when you look at charts in even slightly more complicated charts, there's really a lot more to be seen on those charts than you catch with your eye, right? So one of the things that I would like to make, I love those, hypotheses are extremely important, but one of the things that actually happen in the statistics, I don't know how many people have seen the evolution of visualization, but most of the early analysis, like data analysis, was done kind of like with visualization. If you go through time, until like the 1900s, when the statistics actually started to be developed as a formal field, most of the things people were looking at the data and then trying to understand what was happening on the data. Once the statistics came along, there was like this shift to what now we call confirmatory data analysis. Someone comes with a hypothesis and then tries to kind of like, and actually it took almost 50 years for actually one of the world's leading statisticians, John Tukey, who was at Bell Labs in Princeton, to raise the question that you're missing a lot. Because if you look at the statistics, and I should have brought this chart, there is a number of charts that show that summary statistics, I can show you summary statistics and even plots of certain types that you look at them and you don't understand what the underlying data trends were, okay? So Tukey, kind of like resurrected visualization in the 50s and 60s, and created it into ushered this whole